I am loving this jaw length bob haircut transformation. She looks absolutely beautiful. And this is a very popular hair trend that we are seeing right now. The classic jaw length bob. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some breathtaking long to short hair transformations. Next up, we see someone with about mid-length back hair, mid-back length hair. She does a spin around into a nice little chic bob style. Looks like she got a hint of color here to go with her new bob cuts. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have the stylist doing a layered haircut. Now this is a great option to shake up your boring strands if you don't want to go too short. Gorgeous, and I absolutely love this reddish brown copper shade that she has. Very pretty. Next up, we see someone with long dark hair. And she switches it up with, once again, the jaw length bob trend. Very nice. Next up, we have another bob haircut in the works. Ooh, look at that pretty ash blonde color. Wow. Such a gorgeous hair change. Very pretty. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out the rest of these hair transformations.